Commercial roof failure doesn't just cost you a repair. It can cost you a tenant who breaks a lease, inventory damage by water intrusion, a business interruption you didn't budget for. The math on proactive maintenance is pretty simple. Catching a failed seam or a blocked drain early costs a fraction of what it costs after water gets in the building. Most of the commercial roofs I work on aren't emergencies. They're building owners who decided they'd rather have a plan than a problem. If you manage a commercial property, don't wait until you have a leak. Give me a call, I'll walk you through how to prevent the problems before they start.